In this video, I'm going to show you a funnel builder with menus that can go on all pages. So stay tuned. But in case you don't know who I am, I'm the Real Robin Williams, and I also do short tutorial videos that can help you save more money, make more money. And I actually want to keep these short so that you can get through them. But if you want to find more information on this funnel builder, you can check out the links below on how to grab the funnel builder, or even watch other tutorials, or even grab some of my free gifts. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it so we can get things on and popping. Just so that it's clear for everyone, I'm going to explain some things here. So each funnel builder, every funnel builder is a little bit different. You just have to go through the training to understand it. And this is fairly simple if you ask me. And what I did was use the widgets for menus. So we have a widget in here that we can slide over here, and I already created a menu. So right now this menu is live on this page, and I just created some random links on here on one of my actual videos. So it really doesn't go to anything much. So I added some random links, but let's say, for instance, we have the actual menu of our page all set in place. One of the problems with funnel builders or with pages sometimes is that you want to, one, be able to maintain the same menu, sometimes different, but the same menu on each of your pages. And two, you want to be able to quickly update that. So I'm going to teach you how we are able to accomplish that with this funnel builder, so that you can have your menu on any area of your pages or any pages that you want, and you're able to quickly update it. So I already created this. This is the actual video that I did prior to this, another tutorial. But now I want to duplicate this on another page using what this system calls global columns. And all a global column is their ability to save a piece of information and be able to update that piece of information on whichever page you put it on. And so here I have a menu. It's not yet a global column. So I will have to click on the column, and I will have to say, this is a global column. I will have to create one. Now, right now I'm creating one. If I had one already, you'll be able to see it down here in the name of it, and I'll be able to add that. Right now, what I want to do is I want to save the current content as a global column. And now I want to name it so that I'm easily able to read it later on. So we'll just say website header global, I don't want to say global column, so website header menu. I'll say that. All right, and submit. So this is now a global column. If I want to not make it a global column anymore, I could just uncheck this here button. So now that I have it as a global column, what I did to, I'm gonna save this, but what I did to save a little bit of time was I already duplicated this page and I deleted the menu. So I'm gonna go ahead to the next page. It's gonna look like the same exact page, but it's one I already duplicated in this system and deleted the menu, so you don't see it here. Now, as far as I know, I don't know of a way to add the global column without adding something there. It's something I probably have to look into, but let's just say we want to add a menu here. And because I think I have to add something there, so I want to add a menu. Oops, I gotta slide it. So that green line is what I'm supposed to follow. So I'm going to add it up there, and I'll just add one thing real quick so it's created. So I have the menu there, but I want to replace it with that global column so that I'm able to copy over the information, and that information is going to go back and forth. So whatever edits I make on this global column over here is going to reflect on that last page. So let's go to it. Let's go to click on here, the column, and this is a global column. And then now, because I'm copying a global column, I want to select the one that I want to copy, which is the website header menu. So I click that, and it's going to tell me that all of the content that's there, a little menu that I put in place just to have a spot right there, that's going to disappear. So basically it's telling me that, it's giving me a warning. So I'll hit yes. I want it to write over that information. And now I have the exact same menu on the other page. And just so you can see that it works back and forth, let me go ahead and edit this menu. This is the global menu. And I'm going to add a link. So I'm going to add a menu item. And I'm going to just add anything. And I'm going to rename it. I'm going to rename it global column proof. It's just proof that it's the global column. So I just wanted to add another one there, and actually let me edit it. Just know it's only, let's see if that helps. No, it's only an example, a tutorial that I'm giving you, but that double line, it was driving me nuts. So I'm gonna save this. So now on this page, that column is is available, or that menu item is available. Close both of those out, and then I'll go to, I'm currently on this one right here. See, you see the green right here? That tells me I'm on this page, and now I want to go on the one above it, which had the global column, and now you also see it on that page. So now that global column is also here along with the links that I put in there. And I absolutely love this because if I created 50 pages with this menu, then that means I only have to edit it on one page. So this is super powerful, super potent, very valuable. This is one of those things that just makes you want to get so excited about this. And I think in the next videos, I'm going to show you a couple other ways you can really use the menus and the global columns for like courses and things like that. But this thing is fire. I absolutely love it. If you do not have this funnel builder and you would like to grab this funnel builder, this is just one of the coolest features right there. You can either grab the free demo in the description below, or go ahead and grab the funnel builder. It's my #1 recommended funnel builder, and I'll see you in the next video.